To do this, we use a database. A database helps us store and manage data. It's just a piece of software that usually runs on a different computer, and we have to do some setup so that our backend can communicate with the database. The most popular databases are MySQL, Postgres, and MongoDB. Alright, so if you're just starting out, this is basically all you need for the backend. You can build most of your projects with just a server and a database. For example, here's how our Amazon scenario could work. When the customer places an order in the front end sends a message containing the order to the backend. The backend then saves the order to a database and sends back a message to the front end confirming that the order was created. The message that the front end sends to the backend is known as a request, and the message that the backend sends back is known as a response. This is called a request-response cycle, and this is generally how web applications work. Here's another example. Let's say that you're in the Amazon warehouse. The warehouse might have a different front end that sends a request to the backend to get our order. The backend then gets our order from the database and sends it back to the warehouse front end, and then they go ahead and prepare our order. Now that we've seen the overall flow, we're going to dive deeper and take a look at what's inside a request. Here's a simplified example of a request to create an Amazon order. If we read over it, we can see that it's actually really easy to understand. We have the items that we ordered, the quantities, and some other information about our Amazon order.